Hello, kids. Today we have to go for an adventure. Will you join me? Before starting, do click on the red subscribe button to watch more such fun videos. Let's get started. Tiny detectives. Let's go on a fun adventure. Today we are going to find a cat. Find the cat. Look, what do you see? Is the cat here? Can you say, I see a yes, I see a cat hiding behind the table. Great job. I see a cat. Can you read it this time? Very good. Where is the cat now? Is it behind the flowers? Let's look. There it is. I see a cat hiding behind the rock. I see a cat. Can you read it? Very good. Look, what do you see? Is the cat here? Yes, I see a cat hiding in the pots. I see a cat. Can you read it? You did it. You found the cat. Let's say our sentence one more time. I see a cat. Would you like to find a dog next time? Are you excited to meet Teaching Mama in the next video? I'm excited too. Until then, take care. Bye bye.